The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is a true road giant, a custom-built masterpiece that blends the pure luxury of a five-star hotel with the tremendous strength of a huge rig. Typically built on a robust Kenworth T680 or W900 chassis, its elegant, aerodynamic body belies its formidable appearance. Its strong hood hides a powerhouse, often a PACCAR MX-13 or a Cummins X15 diesel engine. In addition to providing dependable power for transportation, these engines' enormous torque also incorporates cutting-edge fuel-saving technology, which is frequently combined with a hybrid electric system for optimal efficiency and range. This RV stands out on the road because to its striking grille, sparkling chrome, cutting-edge LED lighting, and distinctive body paint. A stunning cockpit that blends cutting-edge technology with enduring utility awaits you when you take the wheel. A huge 15-inch digital display takes the place of the conventional dashboard, giving the driver complete control and the latest recent information. The panel may be configured to display everything from tire pressure and trailer condition to navigation and engine diagnostics. You can control the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road thanks to the multi-function steering wheel, which has all the features you need. Long trips are made pleasant by the ergonomic design, plush leather seats with heating and massaging features, and excellent sound system. The living area is visible as you exit the cockpit. With an open floor layout and many power-operated slide-outs that increase the living space at the flip of a switch, the RV's interior is a sumptuous sanctuary. Luxurious materials abound throughout the room, from sumptuous leather couches and elaborate ceiling decorations to rich wood flooring and exquisite cabinets. The large panoramic windows let in an abundance of natural light, and the smart home system allows you to use voice commands from a single touch panel to manage the lighting, entertainment, and climate. No matter where life takes you, you can genuinely unwind and feel at home here. A cozy retreat is the master bedroom. After a tiring day of travel, its plush linens, top-notch mattress, and full king-size bed make it the ideal haven. There are clever built-in storage options and plenty of walking space. The bedroom has been transformed into a private movie theater complete with a huge flat-screen TV and a separate sound system. You may sleep in total darkness or wake up to a stunning dawn thanks to the huge windows with blackout curtains. You can also adjust the ambient lighting to create a peaceful ambience. It feels like a private spa in the bathroom. It features a porcelain toilet, a full-size vanity with a pricey countertop, and a large shower with a glass enclosure. You will never run out of warm water thanks to the shower's many jets and on-demand hot water systems. The design smoothly incorporates ample storage for toiletries and towels. The sleek, contemporary finishes and high-end equipment in the design make the room opulent and surprisingly hygienic. The RV's kitchen, which is designed to please even the pickiest cook, is its biggest draw. It has a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and granite or solid surface counters. Cleaning is made easy with a pull-down faucet and a spacious sink. The spacious handcrafted cabinets offer plenty of storage for groceries, cookware, and dishes, and every component is of domestic quality. This is a complete gourmet kitchen that can be used to quickly cook five-star meals. It's not simply a kitchenette.